Ever wondered how to create this type match cut effect in After Effects? First, make sure your clips are ready and arranged in a composition. Next, enable the ruler by pressing Ctrl+R, then drag ruler lines both horizontally and vertically to perfectly align your transition word. Now, use the scale and position properties to precisely adjust the word in each image so they match between rulers. Once aligned, create an adjustment layer and apply a CC vignette effect to enhance focus. To direct focus on the transition word, create a mask around the word and invert it. Then apply a Gaussian blur effect on the adjustment layer. This ensures the audience's attention stays exactly where you want it. Next, grab the pen tool and draw a line on word. Turn off the fill color and enable the stroke color. Next, adjust the stroke width until it completely covers the text. Now change the blending mode of the stroke layer. Set the anchor point to the left and reposition it. And animate the stroke width using the scale property. After that, you'll get the match cut effect in After Effects. Try it out and take your edits to the next level.